Hi, this is a fantastic cake made with Pancake. It's a gluten-free and egg-free. It has some lactose on it because the filling, but you can try any other filling. Okay, before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And here we are. We need to cut the pancake to make them all the same size. So you're gonna get a plate and with a knife going around and make and choose the size you want it. Okay, you may need around 5 to 7 pancakes. That's it. Now we having the cream, chicken egg cream here. You can try any other cream. This is the leftover from cutting the pancake. You're gonna cut it in very little pieces and you're gonna mix with maple syrup, and that's gonna be another filling. And for the decoration, we have some Oreos. You're gonna split them and gonna take the cream off, and then you're gonna cut it in the middle in two. When you cut them, very careful not to break the biscuit, okay? Very gentle. Okay, now we need a base for your cake. We're gonna place the first pancake and we're gonna start filling them in. This is your base cream. Let's put some strawberries cut in small slices. More cream. This is a mixture of cacao nibs and panela or coconut sugar, just to sprinkle around to give you more taste. Remember, the pancake doesn't have sugar and the cream, it doesn't have sugar either. Another pancake is going on top. Make sure that you press with your hands down gently to make sure that it gets very sticky. Cream again. This is the pancake leftover with maple syrup. Make sure that you really spread nice and evenly. And the next filling is going to be a mixture that I made with dates and coconut cream. As I said before, you can try any other filling you like it. More strawberries. And the last filling is going to be a strawberry jam. I made this one, so you can try any one. You can buy it, you can make it. Then we can add some broken nuts. more strawberry jam. This is our last pancake, so now we're going to start to decorate the cake. Once when you finish with the cream, you have to take it at least half an hour to the fridge. The first stage of the decoration is going to be the strawberry. I'm going to try to make a flower. Then the Oreos. And now a sprinkle with the cacao nibs with panela or coconut sugar. And finally, if you can sprinkle with cashew flour, that will be really nice. And I did this cake especially for my daughter's birthday. And keep it in the fridge before you serve. For the pancake recipe, you can find it in this channel by subscribing. Hope you enjoy. Bye.